tasted so good. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a blueberry mixed fruit smoothie. Yes, and remember, blueberry takes the color of every other fruit when it is mixed with fruits. All right, so this one is gonna be purple again. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing, subscribing. Thank you to my followers, my new subscriber. You are so plenty. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. I am so grateful. So let's dive right into this video. Blueberry mixed fruit smoothie. So guys, yes, blueberry. I have some blueberry here in this pocket. I have my mixed fruits here, which consist of pineapple, strawberry, and mango. And the fruits are frozen today. And I have some cranberry juice that I will be using, and my yogurt. Let's get that. Right, and I'm gonna be using this yogurt, Yoplait, and it's strawberry. You can use any yogurt you prefer, plain, Greek, whatever it is you like. You can use it in your smoothie. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. This is the blender. I'm gonna just add some of this blueberry. I was told blueberry is good for you guys. It's very, very, very good. Blueberry. So try and see how best you can use blueberry in your smoothies. It's good. Okay. Gonna add the yogurt. So good. Put that aside. I'm gonna add my juice. So the fruits are frozen, guys. So try and help the bullet by adding some more liquid than normal, because when the fruit's frozen, it tends to get thicker. Right. And there you have it, guys, all done. As I said before, it's gonna be purple, and it is purple because blueberry is so powerful. It changes the color of every other fruit. So I'm gonna tell you the benefits soon, but let's see what it looks like here. Wow, This looks great. Yes guys, that it? Purple as it will be. Let's taste this. Perfect. So I'm gonna tell you this, how this one tastes. This one, all right, so this blueberry mixed fruit smoothie, it have a sour taste because of the cranberry and the strawberry, the mango and the pineapple. Yes, you give it that nice sour taste. So if you like that taste, you will like the smoothie. Yeah, so go ahead and try it. It is lovely, tastes real good still. So let me tell you the benefits of blueberry. It said this small but mighty, and it's coming from Google, guys. This small but mighty berry is loaded with nutrients. They help lower blood pressure, prevent heart disease, improve memory, aid in exercise recovery, and more. Alright, blueberries are sweet, nutritious, and widely popular. Often labeled as superfood. They are low in calories and incredibly good for you. See? So of late, guys, you see why I'm using blueberry? It have a lot of nutrients and it helps in many different ways. So go ahead, buy up your blueberry and try some smoothie with it. Mix it with any foods you have at home and blend. You can also mix it with your carrot, broccoli, whatever it is, your vegetable, yeah, and make a smoothie. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.